Hey, what's up, guys? Let's review this new AI agent, GenSpark. It's been, people are talking about it. It's been very popular, very hot because it reaches 10 million ARR in just 9 days since its launch. This is amazing. So the company has been there for a while, but they recently just launched a new agent called SuperAgent. The SuperAgent, based on the company's claim, it can do most of the things for you automatically, including planning your trips and then planning your maybe investments and something else. Um, so today, let's go. We're gonna try Super Agent and give it some very difficult task to see how it performs. All right, so this is the UI of GenSpark Super Agent. Looks very simple, very clean. It just has a prompt box here, and that's it. It's just very simple. So the first task we're gonna give to Super Agent is that I will ask it to plan a trip for me. Recently, I'm planning to go to China and visit a lot of provinces to see some of the touristic cities. It's very complicated because China is very large. I want to know how should I plan my 15 days trip. So let's just give the prompt here. Please help me to plan a trip to China. I'm starting my journey in Shenzhen and then and stay there for 2 days. Then I will go to Guilin, stay for 2 days. For 2 days, then I want to go to Urumqi and stay for a week. On my way back from Urumqi, I want to I want to see two more cities on the way. Then reaches my final destination of this trip, Shenzhen. Please help me plan this trip properly with a budget between 2 to 3,000. Maybe just keep it lower, $1 to $2,000. All right, let's see how it works. So it basically uses tools, 2 weeks trip, China itinerary. Oh, this looks nice. Okay, so I think this is really something differentiates GenSpark with ChatGPT, Gemini, and other reasoning models. It basically prints out pictures and it's really fast. Oh my God. Okay, so because I tried this actually with ChatGPT, it took them 15 minutes to generate the chip itinerary. Here it just took a few seconds. Okay, let's see. Um, the first two, so the window of the world looks nice. We'll see Love Creative District, Love Planting Village. Oh, that's a lot of different locations. And then Guilin and Yangshuo. Spent 3 days. Li River cruise to Yangshuo. Yeah, this is something must do. Bike ride through Yangshuo's countryside. Looks nice. Elephant Hill. Longji Rice Terrace. Urumqi, Xinjiang. Right from going to Urumqi, this will be one of the biggest expenses. Yeah, that's right, because it's too far. Tianchi Lake. But this is very thoughtful, actually. This is actually very thoughtful. Then return to Shenzhen. Okay, so you actually missed my last instruction because I want to visit two more cities after I get out of Urumqi before I return to Shenzhen. Okay, get VPN, of course. Comprehensive Shenzhen to Guilin to Urumqi and back. Oh, detailed itinerary. So what is this? This is just some intermediate steps, and this is the final output. Oh, CI. Oh, this is right. Okay, this is confusing because it looks like this is just a preliminary of thinking, and this is the comprehensive, the actual guide of the chip. Let's see. 西安、兰州、深圳. Okay. Budget hotels in Futian or Luohu district. Sounds like a good choice. High-speed train from Shenzhen to Guilin. Budget hotel in Guilin city center. Oh, this is high cheap and cheap. Urumqi Xinjiang region flight from Guilin to Urumqi 6 to 7 hours. Well, world famous. Oh, terracotta warriors and big wild goose pagoda. Oh, 大雁塔. Okay, looks nice. So it's actually pretty good. Can you help me with booking the air tickets and the hotels? Let's see if we can do this. I'm planning to start my journey on, let's say, 5th of May. Please search their tickets based on this date. All right, so this looks nice. So it gives me the actual high-speed train number I can book. Shenzhen station at 7:45 a.m. Okay, but I started from Shenzhen. I guess there's something outstanding here. That's fine, I guess. So, so it actually gives me the website where I can book the tickets. You couldn't just book tickets for me. Umuchi, it doesn't give me the airline number, but gives me the airlines. China Southern Airlines, Hainan Airlines, Umuchi to Xi'an, direct flight with Spring Airlines. What is Spring Airlines? Chunqiu? Lanzhou. Okay, so the numbers here as well. So basically, I can just print it out, I guess. And then hotel bookings as well. Hilton Garden, 7 days. Okay, Riverbank Hotel. Let's see if this actually exists. All right, or is just hallucinating? Oh, actually it is. Okay, great. Urumqi Holiday Inn. Let's also see if this is really exists. Okay, it is. It looks pretty good. Hantan Inn Hotel doesn't feel like, oh, it is. This true place. Okay, and Joe. At this point, I'm gonna just trust GenSpark's recommendations of hotels. Okay, so it actually works pretty well. It's really super fast. Okay, so I guess I can just print it out and use it as my travel guide along the way. This is pretty cool. So maybe let's give GenSpark another difficult task here. Given the U.S. stock market has been experiencing extreme volatility recently, how do you see actually analyze the bounce back on Friday, 12th, oh, actually 11th April? Predict the market movements on the following week. Let's see how it works. Why is it a potential injection? Oh, okay. It could potentially be a prompt injection. So he wants me to continue the topic of China travel, but in this case, maybe let's just write a new. Okay, now can you give him an answer? Thinking. So I think if you look at the different questions I asked GenSpark, maybe they have optimized a GenSpark specifically for trip planning because the trip planner just generates response super fast, like blazing fast. But when I ask a stock market question, it's although it prints out all the intermediate steps, the tools they're using and the articles they're reading, but the speed is obviously much slower than trip planning. I don't know what people are using Super Agent for, but it would be interesting to know what you are using it for. Please comment in the on the video and let me know. Okay, the US stock market experienced extremely volatility in April 2025, primarily driven by trade tensions between US and China, which is true. Oh, the China announced the levy. Despite found some covering positive, major banks are lowering. Yeah, inflation data is extremely low. Intentions is so analyze the current situation, and the past events, major events, and let's see what's GenSpark's interesting. Earning-driven market movements, heavy earning calendar. So Goldman Sachs is releasing its financial reports on Monday. BOA, lots of banks on Tuesday. Netflix on Thursday. Oh, market close for Good Friday. So what's your prediction? You predict short term, 1 week, continue high volatility with slight downward bias as earnings reports and guidance creates uncertainty. Expect daily swings of 1 to 2% in major indexes at the market digest earnings. Medium term, potentially more downside risk. It's really sad. It's really sad. Can you be a little bit optimistic? Full impact on tariffs becomes clearer and corporate earnings guidance adjusted. May test bear market territory. 20% decline from recent highs. Seventh inning. Still room for growth. Returns more. May moderate from the exceptional performance in early cycle. The secular boost supercycle could peak around 2026. Okay, so it doesn't give me a lot of indications. Maybe I ask which stocks to buy during this period of time. Oh, I've used up my credits. Now I have to pay. So it works pretty well. I can see why people are paying for it and why it reaches 10 million ARR that quickly. So GenSpark is actually pretty good. I think with Manus and GenSpark, all these super agent companies releasing their latest product and developments, we're gonna see a world that that leveraging agents as more and more, and slowly we're probably going to be too dependent on it. And let's see how this agent's gonna evolve. Agent chat's gonna evolve. Maybe let's find a day to build our agent as well, using Cursor, of course. All right, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment. See you next time.